Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can create a blurry to HD transition on CapCut. So I'm just going to go to you need to split between the transitions. So like from the first to the second clip, split it in the middle. Go to effects, video effects, go to basic and choose Mosaic. Then you're going to press on it again and have the blur to 0. Press the checkmark button and adjust it so it only covers the first clip. And then you can even add a slow-mo to the second clip by going to speed, normal, and maybe doing it 0.8x speed. That's what I meant. You can also make it smoother, so press better quality and press the checkmark button. And this is what it'll look like. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below and I will try my best to answer them all. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!